Who needs the directions? I don't. I don't. But we just go ahead and just take a little look see at the instructions. Not like we need it. Today I have something I'm really excited about to show you guys. Let me go get it. And this is my cart for all of my sewing things. As you guys know, if you watch my other videos, I sew and I just got back into it. So I just thought I'd get something to just help me organize my things.
Yes, let's put this thing together, honey.
Who needs the directions? I don't. I don't. Okay. So here I am. I have the box open here. I'm gonna just take everything out and lay it out so y'all can see it. Okay, y'all, getting right into the first step. This is definitely these two. Yup. Okay, so yeah. Okay, check me out. First step is done. Getting into step 2, estape dos. Insert upper frame C into lower frames B. Easy. Got my 2 pieces here. Bitch. Okay, all right, the next step. Step 3, attach and tighten the metal bin A to the frame with bolts using hex key M. So I gotta get one of these. All right, okay, these are my bolts here. We doing something, hold on. Ooh, check me out. All right, time for a break.
All right, so it's coming together. Check it out. But I was like, okay, I need a water break. Always remember to stay hydrated, okay? Okay, stop playing. Get back to work. I just wanted to show y'all where I was so far. I'm gonna show y'all once I'm done too.
All right, so I'm biggity back from my water break like I ain't never left before. We're getting on to step number 4. Yes, we are on step 4. Let me put y'all down. Okay, so we're not even on step 4 yet. There's 2 more bins, which one goes here and here, that I have to put in. So let me do that real quick, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, so now I have all of these shelves put up here. Now we move on to step number 4. And I can either put it on the right, I can either put it on this side or this one. We're just gonna put it right here. All right, well that part was easy. Step 5, place storage box E and wire hooks on the cart as shown in the picture. Like that, and like that. All right, well, that was really easy too.
Hi, so my camera died and the other battery is currently charging, so we're just gonna film the rest of this on my phone. Let me get into step 6 and step 7 that I just did, and I'm finished. So let me show you guys the finished product, okay? So here is my card. I'm very excited for it. I love how it has just so many areas where I can like hang things up, put things up for storage. I can put my thread over here on this side, like my scissors up here. I love this as well. It just has so many different like compartments and storage space for you, and this is going to be put to good use. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. I'm very excited to put all of my sewing things in here. If you haven't already, please be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Coco Dumpling and follow me on all of my other social media so you can always have this little thing right here. And always remember to walk in your purpose, stand in your truth, and keep those vibes high. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.